Hey everyone, welcome back to Top of the Line. Today we're diving into one of the most debated topics in history. Was the moon landing fake? Yep, you heard that right. Some people actually believe that the famous 1969 Apollo 11 moon landing was all a big hoax. So, let's break it down and see what we can uncover. First, a quick history lesson. The Apollo missions were a series of space flights conducted by NASA, beginning in the early 1960s. They aimed to fulfill President John F. Kennedy's goal of landing a man on the moon and returning him safely to Earth before the decade was out. Apollo 11 was the mission that finally put the first humans, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin, on the moon, with Michael Collins orbiting above. These missions were monumental achievements for science and humanity, showcasing incredible technological advancements and the dedication of thousands of engineers and scientists. But despite the overwhelming evidence, some people still believe the moon landing was faked. Here are a few of the most common conspiracy theories. The American flag placed on the moon appeared to wave, even though there's no atmosphere on the moon. Skeptics argue that the shadows in the moon photos are inconsistent, suggesting studio lighting. Why aren't there any stars in the moon photos? Conspiracy theorists claim this is because NASA couldn't accurately replicate the starry sky. Some say the radiation belts around Earth would have been lethal to astronauts, making the journey impossible. Let's tackle these theories one by one. The flag appeared to wave due to the astronauts' movements and the way it was planted, creating a temporary disturbance in its position. The absence of wind on the moon meant the flag remained still after this initial disturbance. The uneven terrain of the moon can create strange shadow angles. Plus, the light source, the sun, and the reflective lunar surface can explain the lighting. The cameras used had fast shutter speeds and low exposure settings to capture the bright lunar surface, making the relatively faint stars invisible. The Apollo spacecraft passed through these belts quickly, and the astronauts received a radiation dose similar to a chest X-ray, which is not harmful. These conspiracy theories have had a significant impact on public perception. They create doubt and skepticism about scientific achievements and space exploration. But they also remind us of the importance of critical thinking and evidence-based reasoning. So why do people believe in these conspiracies? It often comes down to a distrust of authorities, a desire for simple explanations to complex events, or the thrill of uncovering what they believe to be hidden truths. It's a fascinating psychological phenomenon. All right, now it's your turn. What do you think? Was the moon landing fake, or did we really land on the moon? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, it's always important to question, investigate, and think critically. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exciting content.